Got this in. It's a Daymak. Not too sure what year it is. We're going to do a quick mod. We're going to put new batteries in the base and the battery under the seat. And we're going to basically see what else we can do to make it go a little faster for the customer. I'm not too sure what this is for. If this takes a battery in the seat. It's got another one down here. I know that's for the battery box, and the charge port is right there. So I don't know what that's for. If there was a battery in here in series with the battery down there, that'd make my job so much easier. So we'll see. We'll take the seat pan off and see what we got down there. Ouch! Typical. You see the bags around the wiring, the connectors? That's what you don't want to do. What that's going to do is going to hold in the moisture, and then you'll have issues with your wiring down the road. It's a really bad idea. That and where exactly is the fuse on this thing? Probably somewhere buried in the plastic there. So we're gonna dig some more at it. It's not a bad bike. It looks nice, but cat cheap. I think the first thing we're going to do before we even start pulling this thing apart is to see if it even runs. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. So set up some kind of... I'm not going to set up the batteries. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up with a plug-in power supply. Should work with that. Well, I got it to power up, but there's no motor control. As you can see, everything is working. Oh, horn, lights, some bright, but no motor control. Take a good look at this. Remember I told you about the bag and on the wires. Take a look at these wires. These two terminals here are melted together. $100 says they shorted, and this one is burnt. So I'm guessing the controller is dead. So we're going to pull that apart and see if we can get a controller working with this. Okay, I disconnected the phase wires and the hulls. The tester got off a limb. You're going to see if it even has a 5 volt, which I doubt it does, but if it does, it could be something different. Oh, there's 5 volts. Could be a motor problem. Or, could be overvolt. Okay. I had to change those connectors anyway. I don't want them riding away with the half burnt. So, let's see. Okay, we're running some more tests. This is the motor. The windings and the phases are good. Yeah, I think it's a dead controller. It has the positive, like the 5 volts, but I think the FETs are gone. Because here's the throttle. So the throttle's good. Just no, just won't turn over. So I'll have to let the guy know and see if he wants to go forward with it. I don't know why it doesn't need batteries. It needs a controller, which will have to be spliced in since it's a Daymak. Everything else is working. Lights, everything is working. Put a stop on this one. He said hold off because he's got another one. So we'll wait and see what he wants to do. But the phase is the hulls, well not the hulls, but the FETs are toast. And as you can see with these thin wires, it's no surprise they burned. I'll just tuck that in for now. And see what the next one brings.